All right, today just a quickie on using our secondary compressor tool on a turbo clutch. We haven't been able to offer it for the turbo because we had made a change to what we call the bale portion of our compressor a while back to accommodate the X2 and X4 Yamahas and do all other clutches. But it didn't realize it until recently that it didn't work on a turbo. So we had to go back to our old style bale, and then now we sell two really, one for Yamaha and one for everything else. So the good news is we got one now. So here's a quick down and dirty deal on using our Hunterworks spring compressor on our turbo clutches. So once you get your turbo clutch off, put it on your tool, take your bale, and it will fit right inside the little legs here of the helix sticking out. It'll fit right inside. Comes with a little washer. I actually use a couple of old razor rollers as my spacer. A little tight. You would want to heat these screws up because they are got blue Loctite on them, and heat them up and get that Loctite loose. And then you're going to want to use a T30 hex bit and get them out. I usually put a lot of pressure and a tap, 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 and then once I know they're moving, come on out with them. Okay, now all of mine are out, and you just simply let the pressure off the spring. And there it is. So basically that's it. There's that cover. Now one thing is you need to mark this so it goes back in the same place. It's probably not make a huge difference, but this is a balanced assembly, so it needs to go back in the same place. So whatever you was doing, clutch kit, working on it, spring, whatever you were doing, then you just simply put it back. All right, put the bale back on. And compress it. Normally I have split view, but I didn't think this really needed it. I don't want to overcomplicate it, so I just kind of got a view that you can see me talking. I know you need to see me. And see what we're doing at the same time. Get these lined back up. And they never go right back in when you're on camera. But you would always want to start those with your fingers because you don't want to cross thread. And when I get started, I always go really easy to make sure. All right, get that on down. Now, I know there's a torque spec on that. This video really ain't about that. I've been using that tool for 16 years and I've never stripped one out. So that's pretty much it right there on how to use our spring compressor. Wouldn't be a good video without some advertising. Make sure that you don't forget we also make what we think is the best turbo belt on the planet. So when you come get your compressor, pick up one of our belts at the same time. We can help you in any way here at Hunterworks. Let us know. Thanks.